Is Tesla finally changing its entire strategy for cheaper electric vehicles from 2025 onwards? Tesla is currently going through a downturn in sales of its electric vehicles, though better to say, a stagnation in the crazy rise the company has had in recent years. Tesla recently said again that it wants to offer cheaper electric cars, but what's surprising is that now the $25,000 model seems to have been ostracized from the company's future plans. Also, the new 4,680 batteries were previously the reason for significant cost reduction thanks to their advanced structure where, in combination with the maturation of other technologies, it would be possible to produce the Model 2, or whatever they would be called. Tesla is now clearly showing that it is taking another path since Elon Musk places huge emphasis on artificial intelligence and autonomous driving where, in addition to the upgraded autopilot with FSD beta feature that the company's vehicles have, the next big bet will be the fully autonomous robotaxi vehicle where it will step on a new platform. But can Tesla with robotaxi alone make the big restart? Of course not, since we are likely to see two new models on the market at some point where they will be cheaper than the Model 3 and Model Y and will be based on them, but these models will not cost close to $25,000 as originally announced for the promising Model 2. In fact, Tesla said that the next cheap models that will complement its range are very likely to be seen somewhere in the first half of 2025, with what that means according to the company's adherents. According to Tesla, the development of plans for the cheapest models is on track for 2025 and in terms of their technical elements they will have parts from the next generation platform as well as elements from existing platforms, except that there will be no need to build a new production line since these electric cars can be produced on existing ones. Is there any saturation in the electric vehicle segment led by the Model 3 and Model Y? Most likely, yes. This is because this category of buyers has a limit, and for electrification to spread further, models close to the price of $20,000 to $25,000 are needed so that the lower income class has easier access to electric vehicles. Tesla says plans include optimizing the capacity of existing factories to produce 3 million vehicles a year. We'd love to see your thoughts in the comments below about the plans Tesla has in place. Will the new strategy that the company wants to implement be effective? And what consequences ending development will have for the cheap $25,000 electric car?